Hello guys, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to export tables that are present in the form of image or inside PDF directly into Excel sheet. Today I was copy and pasting the content of table from PDF file into Excel sheet one by one. And one of my friends suggested me a way. In this video tutorial, I will be sharing the idea that my friend shared with me. Let's begin. Here I do have 4 files showing in the screen. These are the 3 images and this one is the PDF. Actually, this was the table that I was copying from this PDF file into Excel sheet, and I will show you how to export this table directly into Excel sheet. There are other images. Here in this video tutorial, I will be exporting the data that is present in this table, which is saved as an image file into Excel sheet. For this, open your Excel file. After this, go to Data, and inside Data, you will see several different tabs over here. If you want to export data from images, then you can go to this tab. And if you want to export data from uh, the link or the web link, then you can go over these tabs. Now let's export the data from one of the images. Just click this and picture from the file. Here the images are in my desktop, so open that file. Here let's select the image 3, insert. It will take some time. It has already processed it. Now insert data, insert anyway. Okay, the table that we have in the image file, this image file is exported into Excel sheet. There are some uh, changes in the formatting of text that you have to change, since otherwise the table that we have exported is over here. Now let's try again for another image. Data, picture, picture from the file, and then let's export the content of this image. Okay, insert, insert anyway. Content of the image are exported, and there are several different errors that you have to correct to make it final according to your need. Now let's export data from PDF file. Here I'm creating another step, and here my PDF file. This is my PDF file. This is in my C folder. I'm copying this part of the PDF, and then I'm going to data and then from wave. After I select from wave, you will get the option to add URL. I'm just copying the path of the PDF file and pressing OK. It is saying it is connecting to the PDF. After 7 minutes, this type of navigation table it is created. Here it gives the list of all tables that are present in that PDF file. Here PDF file is in 265 number page. So here in Excel sheet I'm choosing the table 265. This is the one that I wanted to export. See, 265. Okay, Let's select this and load. Here, the table is exported from that PDF file into Excel sheet. Thank you for watching this video tutorials. I will be sharing you more and more other videos on Excel, SPSS, and other analytical tools.